quick look at a lock that or two locks that I combined. I think maybe towards the end of last year is when I combined these, and I have a lot of new growth and it has combined quite nicely. So today I am just like tidying up my locks. I personally don't like retwists. I love my middle part though, so I have to make sure that my middle part is nice and straight. I pretty much only care about that, and then a couple the few that's around my hairline. As for everything else, I kind of just separate them and pop them, because I don't retwist, so I kind of freeform. Well, I don't really freeform. I just take like the extra strands of hair that had not combined into my lock after I popped it, and I just kind of like wrap it around whichever lock I would prefer for it to go to. I don't know how to really make that make sense. And a few months back I did separate almost all of my thicker locks, and I have gone the last couple months just like looking at them, and I've decided that I don't really like them. I don't really like them as small as some of them are. And my two locks in the front are probably like my favorite size, so I'm just combining some of them to give me that size of a lock. And you know, I'm just gonna kind of fill this thing out and go from there. I'm super indecisive with my hair. I've always been this way. I used to dye my hair a whole lot and wear all different colored wigs, and that's probably what I need to go back to doing, to leave my hair alone. But I really think that this is what I want. I am super happy with where I am now with my locks. I mean, I was happy before. It was just it could be better. And so yeah, and what I'm using on my hair to moisturize with is, you know, probably pretty debatable. I'm using the Blue Magic hair grease, and this stuff makes my hair really manageable, but I only put it on my scalp after washing my hair. And then lately I've just been using like my regular oils or whatever when I need to. The only downside that I have had with the grease is that it has lanolin in it, and if I'm not mistaken, that is the stuff that is like come from the oil, the skin of sheep, the oil that's on their skin. And so it's not really vegan. It's pretty disgusting when you think about it. And I just cannot bring myself to throw it away, because then I've like harmed an animal and I've wasted it as well. So I am gonna finish using it, and then once it's all gone, I'm not sure what I'm gonna go back to for my scalp, because my scalp pretty much soaks up everything, castor oil and everything. It just kind of, ooh, that was good, girl, what's next? That's kind of how my hair is. So the heavier grease really does help. I'm gonna have to find one that's a, you know, a little more environmentally friendly. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling on, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch this, me moisturizing my scalp and combining some of my locks, and so they could be a little more thicker and luxurious and give me that look. It's a vibe that I'm going for. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell, so every time I post a video, you will be the first to know. And give this video a thumbs up if I didn't already say that. All right, bye.
It's